Hello guys, welcome to TestCafe tutorial. Today we'll learn about TestCafe, an automation testing tool. As we all know, automation testing is becoming a crucial part of software development cycle. Among many automation testing tools, companies are adopting TestCafe as their preferred choice of automation software tool due to its enhanced capabilities and features in comparison to its peers. So considering the market requirement, it's worth learning TestCafe. So what is TestCafe? TestCafe is a web-based functional open-source testing framework developed by DevExpress. The first release came in October 2016. It is pure Node.js tool for end-to-end testing. You can write the test in JavaScript, TypeScript, and CoffeeScript. Why to go for TestCafe? Let's see the features of the TestCafe. First, it doesn't need an external driver to run end-to-end tests in the browser unlike Selenium, where you need to download and import driver for different browsers separately. It supports majority browsers and platforms such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, etc. It also supports the mobile, remote, and cloud browsers. Concurrent test execution. To save the execution time, TestCafe allows you to execute tests concurrently by opening multiple instances of same browser. You can do it locally as well as on remote devices. This is the best practice for continuous integration. As number of test cases increases, your pipeline or build time also increases. So it's better to run multiple tests at same time. Automatic waiting mechanism. It waits for page loads and XML HTTP requests before the test start and after each action. So you don't have to mention waiting time explicitly in your code. TestCafe also allows you to take screenshot at any time during test execution or automatically when test fails. It could be helpful for the reporting purpose. Code reusability with hook functions. It allows to write functions that are used before every test in hooks, so you can write the repetitive test steps in the hooks. It has libraries to automate all web applications built on recent front-end technologies such as React, AngularJS. It also supports the modern features of JavaScript like async await. Testing of web pages possible that are protected with the HTTP authentication. So there are some web applications which requires authentication to proceed further. Such scenarios could also be tested with TestCafe. It also provides the features to switch between the iframe and main window. It also provides user roles for smart authentication tests for login operations. Browser dialog handling is also possible with TestCafe. You can cancel or confirm the alert prompt confirm before unload dialog. It also allows to access console messages such as output log, warning, error, and information message. So this is all about the introduction. We'll continue in the next video, the installation of the TestCafe. Thanks for watching. Happy testing.